Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is a breaking news from India. The government of India has decided to celebrate the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as Parakram Divas every year. Union Ministry of Culture announced on Tuesday. The ministry stated that to honor and remember Netaji's indomitable spirit and selfless service to the nation, the government has decided to dedicate the great freedom fighters' birthday every year as Parakram Divas. The people of India fondly remember Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's unparalleled contribution to this great nation in his 125th birth anniversary. The government of India has decided to celebrate the 125th birth anniversary year of Netaji beginning from January 2021 in benefiting manner at national and international level. Now, in order to honor and remember Netaji's indomitable spirit and selfless service to the nation, Government of India has decided to celebrate his birthday on the day of January every year as Parakram Divas to inspire people of this country, especially the youth, to act with fortitude in the face of adversity as Netaji's did and to infuse in them a spirit of patriotic fervor. The government stated in its release, reacting to government's decisions, Netaji's grandnephew Chandrakant Bose welcomed the decision but at the same time said it would have been appropriate if January 23rd was declared as Deshapram Divas. Netaji was India's liberator. We welcome the announcement, but people have been celebrating January 23rd as Deshapram Divas. It would have been more appropriate had the government announced it as Deshapram Divas, but we are happy about the announcement. Bose's grandnephew was quoted by NI as saying, PM Modi may visit Kolkata on 23rd, Mamata Banerjee may hold Padayatra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to visit West Bengal on January 23rd to attend Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary celebration at the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. The PM is also likely to visit National Library located in Belvedere Estate, Alipur. Times Now COCD reported that West Bengal Police and Special Protection Group, which guards the Prime Minister of India, held a meeting on January 18 to discuss two programs have been shortlisted for PM. One being at Victoria Memorial, which would be hosting Netaji's birth anniversary celebration, and the second one at National Library. As of now, no political events have been lined up for PM Modi, but he may meet Bengal BJP leaders during his visit to the poll-bound state. Interestingly, West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee is likely to hold a Padayatra on the occasion of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Jai Hind, Bhiyan Report for Shakti TV USA.